Hey there, welcome back to Money Matters Made Easy. I'm Izzy, your host, and today we're going to have a little financial spa day. That's right, we're going to pamper ourselves and our finances. So grab your favorite face mask and let's dive in. First up, let's start with a financial detox. Just like we cleanse our bodies, it's important to cleanse our finances too. Take a look at your expenses and see if there are any unnecessary subscriptions or memberships that you can cancel. By doing this, you'll not only save money, but also declutter your financial life. Next, let's exfoliate our budget. Take a close look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Maybe it's eating out less or finding more affordable alternatives for your daily coffee fix. Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Now, it's time for a financial massage. Treat yourself to a little self-care by setting up automatic savings. By automating your savings, you'll ensure that a portion of your income goes directly into your savings account, without you even having to think about it. It's like giving your finances a soothing massage. After that, let's give our investments a facial. Take a look at your investment portfolio and see if it needs any adjustments. Maybe it's time to rebalance or diversify your investments. Remember, just like our skin, our investments need regular care and attention to stay healthy. Lastly, let's finish off our financial spa day with a meditation session. Take a few moments each day to visualize your financial goals and affirm your positive money mindset. By practicing mindfulness, you'll be more aware of your spending habits and make better financial decisions. Remember, taking care of your finances is just as important as taking care of yourself. So go ahead and treat yourself to a DIY financial spa day. You deserve it. And always remember, you have the power to transform your financial future. Stay positive, stay motivated, and keep on learning. Until next time, take care and stay financially fabulous.